This week we'll be exploring the forces of friction through a video analysis and a hands-on lab. I've provided two simulations to help you prepare for this lab. The first, shown here, allows you to manipulate the push of a man on a box. You can change the mass of the object being pushed. You can also change the amount of friction between the object and the ground, and it will display the resultant speed and acceleration if you choose. You can play around with the different variables as you see here. The second simulation is actually very similar to a component of this week's lab. It shows a force sensor being used to apply a force to an object sliding across a desk. You can use this simulation to change the surfaces and manipulate the object's mass. It will show you the resultant force graph at the bottom of the screen. Our video analysis will involve analyzing the motion of a pushed cart that is decelerating because of a pad mounted to the bottom of the cart. We will be using the Logger Pro software. Using this software, we will determine whether or not the cart would actually fall off the end of the table based on a small sample of the cart's movement. It may be helpful when analyzing your data to add grid lines, as I show here. The second half of the lab will be hands-on. First, we will find the coefficient of static friction by inclining a plane. Then we will calculate the coefficient of kinetic friction using an economy force sensor. Each of these will be repeated for several different surfaces. And that's all. I'll see you in lab.